For many years, this organization has been peacefully and democratically appealed to the government of Meghalaya and the government of India to resolve this long-pending issue by including the Tiwa Lalung community of Meghalaya in the list of scheduled tribes. Our demand is based not on emotion alone, but historically evidence, constitutionally principles, and the legitimate rights of an indigenous community that has been an integral part of Meghalaya since its formation. Now our demands. Through this press conference, we respectfully place the following demands before the government of Meghalaya and the government of India. Number one, inclusion in the 2027 census. The name Tiwa Lalung should be included in the list of scheduled tribes for the purpose of the 2027 population census in the state of Meghalaya. Necessary steps should be taken immediately so that the Tiwa Lalung community is correctly recorded from every beginning of the census process, including the house listing and house numbering exercise scheduled to commence in August 2026. Number two, recognition as a scheduled tribe. We reiterate our long-pending demand, which has remained unresolved for more than 3 decades, that the indigenous Tiwa Lalung community of Meghalaya be granted recognition as a scheduled tribe in the state of Meghalaya under its rightful identity of Tiwa Lalung. Our demand is based on historical evidence, official records, constitutional principles, and the continuous peaceful effort of our community. We firmly believe that justice delayed should not become justice denied. Sunrise, areas of River District which now fall under the jurisdiction of Hima Khairi remain within the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council. These areas have historically been the traditional rights of Tiwa Lalung community. Their customary village administration continues to be preserved under the traditional institution of Loro, who serve as the customary chief of the Tiwa people. These historical and customary institutions are clearly evidence of Tiwa Lalung communities' long-standing presence, governance, and cultural heritage in Meghalaya. They further strengthen our legitimate claim for recognition as a scheduled tribe in the state of Meghalaya. The areas that were once part of the ancient Goba state, the traditional kingdom of Tiwa Lalung people, became part of the newly created state of Meghalaya in 1972. Therefore, the Tiwa Lalung people did not migrate into the Meghalaya. Rather, they became citizens of new state along with their ancestral land. On our long-pending demand is deeply disappointing. We therefore once again urge the government to take immediate and meaningful action before the community is compelled to seek appropriate legal remedies available under the Constitution.